Today I will explain you how ferrocement technology can be used for employment generation, self-employment and have business opportunities also. Let us see what is ferrocement technologies. Ferrocement technology is chicken mesh plus mortar. Chicken mesh doesn't stand of its own, so we knit it on both sides of a weld mesh. Then apply a cement sand mortar, that is cement and sand in 1:3 proportion and water cement ratio 0.4. For a tank up to 2000 liter, that is 5 feet dia and 4 feet in height, we don't need any steel bars or skeleton steel. Knitted weld mesh and chicken mesh stands of its own in a cylindrical shape. So over that cement sand in 1:3 proportion and water cement ratio 0.4, such mortar is either applied or press filled over this chicken mesh and weld mesh. Then it is plastered from inside and outside. So the cylindrical shaped tank gets ready. Then it is cured as we do curing in case of RCC for 7 days. For a water tank having capacity more than 2000 liters, whether it is cylindrical, rectangular, dome shaped or closed tank with flat roof, you need to prepare first skeleton with the help of 6 mm and 8 mm bars. To this, knitted weld mesh and chicken mesh is tied properly, and over that mortar is applied, either applied or press filled, and then it is plastered from inside and outside and it is cured as explained earlier. So the structures gets ready. Contractor in Maharashtra who build ferrocement tank are constructing at a rate of rupees 8 to 10 per liter. Whereas our cost of these tanks, a tank open at the top above plinth, it cost anything between rupees 3 to 4 per liter, and the cost of a closed tank is anything between rupees 4 to 5 rupees per liter. So from this you will understand that there is a great opportunity for self-employment or business also. Similar to this, we have taught these technologies to many masons from many villages. We have covered 18 districts in Maharashtra. We have taught masons from many NGOs, their Karyakarta, NGOs such as Bhagirath Gram Vikas Pratishthan from Sindhudurg, Gramapari from Pachgani, Rotary Club from Bor, Reliance Foundation having their branches in Rajkot, Uttarakhand and Shivni in Madhya Pradesh, Vayam from Jawar, So after teaching them, their masons and karyakarta, these NGOs are constructing tank of their own in their respective areas. And many have constructed 50 and more tanks in their area as per the knowledge which we have got from them. Reliance must have constructed more than few hundred tanks in Rajkot and Uttarakhand. Here I would like to give you one example. A Vijay Sawant, a mason from Sindhudurga district, who was there when we conducted a training organized by Bhagirath Gram Vikas Pratishthan. He accompanied me to Uttarakhand, where we had to teach Uttarakhand masons away from Rudraprayag and Reliance Foundation Karyakarta, or workers. So we went there and we constructed one tank of 25,000 litre at a village away from Rudraprayag. And you will be surprised, this happened 3 years back, and Reliance Foundation paid Vijay Sawant at a rate of rupees 1,000 per day as his visit charges, plus airfare and other expenses. See how great opportunities are there in this technology. And this is what I wanted to tell you. With ferrocement, you can construct other structures also, such as bathroom, WC, compound wall, or ground plus one even structure. That is, once you have a training of a closed ferrocement tank, then you can construct houses, small houses also. So this variety of structures which otherwise we construct in a RCC or brickwork can be constructed in with the help of ferrocement technology. Masons from Guhagar and Sindhudurga are now constructing tank in their respective area. They says to the farmer that we will construct tank for you at rupees 1 per litre as a labor charges. Owner brings the material and tank gets for ready for owner anything around rupees 4 per litre. Even Jalavardhini Pratishthan earns some money with this ferrocement technology, because sometimes there are requests from wealthy farmers in a rural area. So we say them, you bring material and labor, you provide material, you arrange for the labor, our Karyakarta will go over there and you will get a tank constructed, and they pay us some supervision charges. So even we also earn some money by this ferrocement technology. Many masons, after having learned this ferrocement tank construction, have constructed their own bathrooms, own WCs. Even one mason, that is Mr. Sada Shelke, from our Karjat area have constructed a mandir top, that is mandir Kalash, because he understood the technology. Of course, Kalash was not that big, but then whatever the requirements at village level, they are very small. Nobody is going to construct a tank of 1 lakh liter or 5 lakh liter, or such structures are not possible. Even with this ferrocement technology, we have taught how to construct these small bandaras, arch type bandaras also. So now you have understood that with this you can have your own self-employment generation also, and you have business opportunities also. But one thing you have to remember, for a bigger structures, that is a tank having capacity more than say 30,000, 50,000 or lakh, or bigger structures, or arch dam having a height more than 4 feet and such, you will have to have some design or some guidance from some stalwarts from who know the ferrocement technology. That's all.